Good morning, student. Welcome back in video session classes. Today I discuss formatting in Excel for class 7, chapter number 5, and today I related to topic number formatting. First of all, I discuss what is the number formatting. My dear student, whenever you are working with a spreadsheet, it is a good idea to use appropriate number format for your data. Number format number formats number format tells your spreadsheet exactly what type of data what type of what type of data you are using like first percentage, currency, this is the sign of the dollar, times and date, times and date, so on. This is the number format. I again repeat, whenever you are working with a spreadsheet, it is good idea to use appropriate number format for to your data. So what is the number format? The number format tells your spreadsheet what type of data you are using, like percentage, currency, times, date, and so on. My dear student, my again question, why use number format? Why use number format? Number format do not just make your spreadsheet easier to read, they also make it easier to use. When you applying when you applying a number format, when you applying a number format, you are telling your spreadsheet exactly what type of value what types of values are stored in a cell. are stored in a cell. My dear student, number format do not just your spreadsheet make easier to read, they also make easier to use. When you applying a number format, you are telling your spreadsheet exactly what type of value are stored in a cell. Example: the date format. Suppose I choose to the date format. The date formats tells the spreadsheet. The date format tells the spreadsheet that you are entering a specific calendar date. A specific calendar date. This is the use of the number format. My dear student, the other type of formatting just like other type of formatting other type of formatting such as the font color, changing the font color, changing the font color. You are apply the number format by selecting cell. You are apply number format by selecting cell and choosing the desired formatting option. Number format, you are mainly, I just example in the date format, and suppose you use to the number format. First of all, you selecting the cell. Without you selecting the cell, the not used in the number format. So number format is other type of formatting, changing the font color, and the number format is the desired formatting option. My dear student, there are two way to use to the number format. There are two ways to use the number format. First, Go to the home tab. Go to the home tab and you click the second option. Click the number format. Click the number format. Drop down menu in the number group. Third, select the desired format. This is the, you go to the home tab and you look at the home tab. You just see to the general option. You just see to the general option. You just press in the general option. This is the upward location and this is the downward location. My third, my fourth. You can also click one of the cube number, formatting commands. Below the drop down menu. My dear student, first of all you go to the home tab and click to the number format, then select to the desired tab. This option is already available in the home tab, and just click in this criteria, and there are so many such type of option is again available in this area. So you just click to in this area. This is the dollar, this is the percentage, this is the this option is already available in this system. So you just when you apply in this criteria, you just click in this area. So again, you can also select the desired cell, and press Ctrl plus 1. Press Ctrl plus 1. Ctrl plus 1 on your keyboard to access more number formatting, options. You just press to the Ctrl plus 1. Thus there are so many such type of number are available, sir. My dear student, I just give the example. We have applied to the currency. Suppose example, we have applied currency. We have applied currency number format. Currency number format. You just, this is the currency option. This is the currency option, and this type of option is one time click. The currency symbol is the dollar, and you just display in the spreadsheet. You just display in the spreadsheet. Suppose my currency value is the 10. So this is the currency and the 10. This option is shown in your laptop in this type of category. So the two decimal place of any numeral value. My dear student, this is last point, 6th point. If you select any cell with the number, if you select any cell with the number formatting, you can see the actual value of the cell in the format bar. This is the end of your topic used in the number format. Any doubt, any questions, please ask. Thank you so much.